Oh, why is this happening to me? This is so unfair.
One peaceful day, Sarang goes out.
Hello, sweetheart. Let's go to the pet clinic together.
Pet clinic? Why? I'm not sick.
Guess what? Today is your checkup day. Let's go quickly with me and get it done, sweetie.
No, I really don't need to go.
Even though Sarang's leukemia got better, she still goes for a checkup every 6 months to make sure she's healthy. And today is the day for her checkup. The general checkup took about 2 hours. After Daddy heard the results, Sarang got her ears cleaned, and then they went back home.
I'm exhausted. Home really is the best.
Sarang, did you go to the pet clinic? What did the doctor say?
Yeah, the vet said I'm fine.
But why do you look so down?
The doctor told me not to eat churro.
Oh no, that's so bad.
Even when I ate, Daddy didn't give me any churro. Why is this happening to me? Mommy, please answer me. What am I supposed to do without churro?
Puni knows where Daddy hides the snacks.
Thank you, Bomi.
I don't know anything about it, so you guys figure it out.
Oh ho, that's really a big problem. In the end, am I the one who has to solve everything?
You know where Daddy hides the snacks?
Of course, yes. I know one piece. Chicken, tuna, churro. Every snack in the world is there.
Where is that?
We can't go there because we have no teeth. Recently, I had Kongji help with my awesome plan, but it totally messed up.
Here we go again.
Ahem. Hey, Sala.
No way.
Actually, the vet told Sarang not to eat churro for a while. But Sarang misunderstood, thinking she could never eat it again. Because she didn't hear the word for a while. Ha ha ha.
I want churro.